So my advertising course takes on a client every semester with a challenge or an issue. And we talk about a creative brief where they list all of the issues, who their target audience is, how they want their message to be delivered. For example, traditional marketing or advertising or social media or digital advertising. So this happens every semester where we bring in the company, and the entire semester the students work towards this goal of creating an ad campaign.
I think this class has been super beneficial in my time here at FAU. I've learned a lot, and it's been great to get the real world experience through this project. We're able to work with PepsiCo's marketing team in order to produce a social media advertising campaign. We used a lot of things that we will use in the real world in the future, such as conducting surveys, focus groups, doing lots of different research, and applying that to real world scenarios.